This is Cubot P50, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can switch the SIM card preferences on this device. First of all, launch the settings. Next, enter the network and internet category. Next, you want to head straight for the mobile network. Choose, any of the SIM card that is installed. It's not really important, to be honest. And once at the SIM card page, you can see it allows you to set the SIM card preference for mobile data, calls, and SMS messages. And by tapping on it and choosing what particular SIM card you would like to use, you are altering the SIM card preferences, just like so. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.